Go.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah, that stuff! Yeah! Woo!
It's like Furby on drugs.
Awesome!
No, this is why you don't give Furby crap.
What's up? What are you doing? Everybody! Yeah! You want to play with me, but don't worry, I'll make her. I will.
What? I don't even know. See that for me? My mom told me to stop playing with you. Oh God.
Mother, no.
That looks so creepy.
What the? Is it me?
Say bye-bye, Furby.
Bye.